Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Julien Alfred from the beautiful island of St. Lucia is now the fastest woman in the world after winning the 100 meter against Sha'Carri Richardson in the Olympics. Let's talk about it. So this is insane. This is crazy. Like the same way how this finals played out, that is how I saw it last night, with Julien Alfred winning the gold, making history, being the first ever from St. Lucia to win a gold medal. And it is interesting because I was preparing for this video last night and I was going through all the heats yesterday, and I said it, I'm like, if Sha'Carri, with knowing for her bad start, not good at getting out of the blocks, if at 50 meters in the race, if she is chasing down Julien Alfred, she is not going to catch her back. And that is exactly what happens. So this is, so St. Lucia, the beautiful island of St. Lucia, I can just imagine the pandemonium that's taking place in St. Lucia today, in the Caribbean today, because I know like places like Jamaica, I know like Shelly and Fraser would not have been able to medal, especially winning a gold. So it was Sha'Carri Richardson gold medal. That was it. Americans have been like on top of the world about this gold medal. Like the Americans, they're like, was like 100% sure of this gold medal. And to be honest, I felt that way also up until watching the heats yesterday, that Sha'Carri could not have lost this goal. But when I broke down what the heats look like yesterday, and I'm like, man, like if Sha'Carri is not in front at 50 meters, it is over. And Julien Alfred, man, like when you see her at the 50-meter mark and she was determined, she's like running for her life. She's like, you are not gonna catch me. So this was just insane. I'm like, I can't tell the last time I had this feeling. I know, like, you know, as a Jamaican, and Jamaica has been on top for the past 20 years. But, you know, I remember back in the days when like Trinidad and Tobago was with Ato Bolan, and you know, Jamaicans were like cheering for the Caribbean. I was like cheering for the Caribbean. So to watch this race today and goosebump, like it is just insane. It is just insane. So man, like, so let me know where in the Caribbean you're watching from, especially if you're watching from St. Lucia. How are you feeling now? You know, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me how you feel about this win for St. Lucia, the first gold medal in St. Lucia's history. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section. I know, like, I can just imagine like the pandemonium all over the Caribbean right now, because sometimes, especially, it seems like in tracks, for the past 50 years, it's just like a rivalry between America and the world, or America and whoever they're going up against in the Caribbean. So just to see this win, it's an amazing feeling. And man, whew, like I believe I replayed this finals about 5-6 times already, and I'm going to watch it again. This is insane. It wasn't even close. Wasn't even close. Like I thought it would have been something, but when you see her pulling away after the 50 meter, I'm like, this is over. She is shutting it down. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave your flag wherever in the Caribbean you're representing from, and just let me know. Like it's amazing. You know, big up St. Lucia, and this girl is automatic. She's like a national hero, a national treasure. Like, this is a massive deal. This is how you put your country on the international stage, because I'm sure like the Google search for St. Lucia is like through the roof right now. So man, this is crazy. So let me know what you think in the comment section. St. Lucia, fastest woman in the world, gold medal, history, St. Lucia. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. Leave your flags, the Caribbean island that you're representing. And guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.